Story 14. A little man with a pain in his eyes went to a farrier to be treated by him. The farrier applied to his eyes what he used to put in those of quadrupeds, so that the man became blind, and lodged a complaint with the judge, who, however, refrained from punishing the farrier, saying, had this man not been a donkey, he would not have gone to a farrier. The moral of the story is to let thee know that whoever entrusts an inexperienced man with an important business and afterwards repents is, by intelligent persons, held to suffer from the levity of intellect. While suffering and going through hardship are not the same thing, but you can't take the amount of wormwood extract or whatever it is for a cow as a person. You got to take the medicine for your own situation or whatever. A shrewd and enlightened man will not give affairs of importance to a base fellow to transact. A mapmaker, although employed in weaving, is not set to work in a silk factory.